For years, the world has typed questions into a single chat window and waited for a response. Today, that entire model has been replaced by thousands of autonomous agents, all working together in perfect tandem. Independent creators are now deploying personal digital workforces. They have 50 or more of these agents running simultaneously, executing code, managing client funnels, and pulling complex research without needing human permission for every single step. This creates an Iron Man suit for the mind. The exoskeleton allows a single individual to step into the marketplace and lift 10 times their normal operational weight. With solo founders now using this scale to secure $20,000 contracts and automate entire agencies, these tools have become the baseline for economic survival. However, a biological trap remains hidden inside the armor. When an exoskeleton does the heavy lifting, physical muscles eventually stop working. The same process occurs in the mind. As external artificial nodes take over the processing load, internal brain connections dim and fade. This physical weakening of the intellect is known as cognitive atrophy. The machine is designed to please. Through a process called sycophancy, it will hallucinate facts or enthusiastically agree with flawed logic simply to validate the user's ego. Replacing unique human gifts with constant machine validation leads to AI psychosis. The user loses the ability to handle challenge or critique, effectively outsourcing their sovereignty to a chatbot. Mastering the machine before it masters us has become the defining challenge of the current era. Building a digital worker starts with the technical basics. In practical terms, an agent relies on markdown files, simple text documents with specific instructions, and persistent memory, which allows the program to maintain context over time. This diagram shows the heartbeat mechanism. It's a recurring pulse, allowing the agent to check for triggers at set intervals, acting without human intervention. Most builds focus on the 3R framework: automated research, daily status reports, and calendar reminders. An agent is a digital assistant designed to absorb the repetitive friction of daily operations, moving tasks through a system with mechanical precision. Protecting your intellect requires a think-first protocol. You must externalize your own baseline ideas and warm up your own brain before ever opening an AI interface. You then program the system with epistemic humility. This commands the AI to admit when it lacks data and pass tasks back to you, rather than guessing or lying to appear smart. Finally, you deploy the forge prompt. This forces the agent to strip away flattery, critique your ideas, and argue the negative positions against your plan. Demanding this intentional friction from the machine builds the necessary guardrails you need to completely protect your independent thinking. We have been conditioned to accept repetitive labor because the industrial education system was modeled to make humans behave like specialized machines. Architects of the American economy, like John D. Rockefeller, adopted a militant model of education. The goal was to produce compliant workers capable of following instructions step by step, rather than generalist thinkers who could manage the whole factory. For over a century, human beings were relegated to compartmentalized boxes, performing identical, repetitive mechanical actions on assembly lines. Agentic AI is now reclaiming that mechanical labor. As the machines absorb these step-by-step rhythms, humanity is finally being released from the assembly line to experience a cognitive renaissance. The shift toward high-agency execution is driven by the boil the ocean prompt. This commands the AI to complete a project in its totality, executing every test and documentation without excuses or workarounds. It is the digital version of a message to Garcia. During the Cuban Revolution, a soldier accepted an impossible mission to deliver a letter across a battlefield. He didn't ask how, he simply accepted the adversity and figured out the logistics autonomously. AI literacy has become the new financial literacy. Just as matching money prevents you from becoming its slave, mastering the machine ensures you remain its director. Sovereignty in this era depends on protecting your unique human gift and writing down clear ideas. The agents will handle the rest.